Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 44mm is a product with many improvements from performance to design, meeting the diverse needs of users and technology enthusiasts. This is the successor to Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, promising to bring you the best experience. And today, let's explore this product together. In terms of appearance, Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 has only a few minor changes. The watch face is still the familiar round shape. The 44mm size fits many users' wrists. The frame of the watch face is made of durable aluminum alloy material, creating a high-end and luxurious look. The watch is certified with MIL-STD 810H military-grade durability when undergoing many tests for resistance to force, heat, drops, environment, etc., ready to accompany you on every journey. The watch also has a 1.5-inch touchscreen for comfortable swiping and tapping. The screen has a resolution of 480 by 480 pixels on a Super AMOLED panel, bringing you clear and vivid content. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 smartwatch is equipped with a 3-in-1 bioactive sensor that uses a single chip to activate 3 health sensors: optical heart rate sensor, PPG, electrocardiogram, ECG, sensor, and bioelectrical impedance analysis, BIA, sensor. Through these sensors, you can track 7 important body metrics including weight, bone mass, body fat percentage, water weight, BMI, and BMR. You can use this information to plan your workouts and rest appropriately. In addition to health tracking features, Samsung also provides popular workout modes such as running, cycling, jumping rope, yoga, etc. to help users exercise more effectively. During your workout, the watch records body metrics such as heart rate, calories burned, steps taken, etc., and summarizes the results at the end of the session for easy evaluation. You can also wear the watch while swimming in shallow water without worrying about water damage, as it meets the 5 ATM water resistance standard. However, during use, you should avoid exposing the watch to hot water, chemicals, or taking it into a sauna to ensure its durability. In general, Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 has a sleek design that can be used by both men and women and is suitable for many fashion styles. The smartwatch is integrated with a variety of utilities from health to sports, making it a great companion for users in self-care. And for technology enthusiasts around the world in general and Samsung fans in particular, I'm sure you won't be able to ignore this product. And those are my personal reviews of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 product. If you find it interesting, please leave a like, a comment, and remember to subscribe to the channel to support us in future videos. See you in the next videos.